Well, welcome back to the channel. Today we are riding a 2021 Ford Bronco. You've seen all the videos online. Let's jump in this thing and get it out on the streets. So here we are at Roblin Road with the Bronco. Taking a couple laps. We're at a racetrack. Why do you take this around a racetrack? Because you can. And we might get off-road just a little bit today. Start on the track and in the grass and in the mud. Let's go. We're out here in the new Bronco, taking it out to the beach. Of course, you got to take a vehicle like this to the beach. We've been to the racetrack. Let's get it out to the beach, or near the beach, I should say, because in Georgia, you've got very limited options for getting your vehicle on the beach. You can either ask for forgiveness, ask for permission. I tend to do the first one. Well, we made it to the beach with the Bronco, and man, this is its natural habitat. I feel like it needs to get these 30-inch wheels in the sand, and I'd love to get it in four-wheel drive and driving out there, but for now, this may be as close as we get. Well, we've ridden this Bronco around the last couple of days, and this thing has been a blast. Can't wait to spend some more time driving this thing, getting to know it, putting it through its paces, getting out on the beach, getting out on the trails, getting up to the mountains. It's been a fun one. Let's get out there and get some more miles under the tires.